Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I'm finally going to film the video about Hairfinity. I had asked you guys, I do have a shirt on, see, it's like Fashion Nova, and I got this when I was a little chubbier and now it's like falling off of me, which is like kind of good, kind of bad, I don't know. But anyway, so I asked you guys if you guys wanted me to do a review of Hairfinity. I started it about 6 months ago, I guess. So if you guys been following my channel, you know after I had my last baby, my hair, like my baby hairs over here, broke off so bad. Like they stuck straight up. I would have to like glue them down. Super annoying. So I got an email one day and it was from Hairfinity and they were like, we would love to send you, I think it was a 3-month supply of just their regular healthy hair vitamins. So I had heard people had tried them, some people had liked them, some people haven't. I heard that it made some people bloated. I heard that some people would get like nauseous from it because it has like a ton of biotin in it. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try, because then I had also seen like a Kardashian, I think it was, not sure, but I'm pretty sure it was like some sort of celebrity that was endorsing it. So I'm like, I'm not sure, but I'm willing to try it without my own money. That sounds great, because I mean, it's not that they're expensive, because they're really not. There's discount codes everywhere for them. So you could buy them, I think, for like, once a discount goes in, I think for like $22 or something like that. I don't know. But given the opportunity of 3 months, I was like, why not? I'm not going to say no. I mean, I'm having hair issues anyway, because you know, if you have a baby, your hair falls out, it breaks, it kind of sucks. And it sucks because pregnancy teases you, because when you're pregnant, you have amazing hair. I'm telling you, it is gorgeous, it's luscious, it's long, it grows so fast. And then you pop that little sucker out and you're like, well, not only did I pop the baby out, but now my hair's falling out. So it's just like really rude and disrespectful, I think, to tease a woman like that. But anyway, back to what I'm talking about. So I started this, and in 1 month, my hair changed incredibly. I want to say it grew about 1/4 of an inch. Like, so I'm going to try to pop some old photos of me after I had the baby so you could see. It's weird though, because you know, when you have a baby, you take all pictures of the baby and not yourself. So I'll see what I can find, but I'll pop some in here like randomly. So yeah, this hair had grown, I want to say about 1/4 of an inch the first month, and I was like, and as long as I ate, like, I'm not talking a full meal, but as long as I ate a little something like either a banana, I don't know, like a granola bar, something, I was fine. Honestly, like, it didn't give me a stomach ache, and I'm pretty prone to stomach aches because I have really bad acid reflux. So with like ibuprofen, medicine, like stuff like that, I can eat it on a empty stomach, if that makes sense, because I'll get like nauseous feeling. So this didn't bother me at all, like I said, as long as I had like a little granola or something, because you take 2 capsules. By the 3rd month, I told my husband, I'm like, I will not stop taking this. My hair had grown, I want to say almost 2 inches. It was crazy, and my hair got really, really thick and full, almost like when I was pregnant. Before, I used to take prenatal vitamins to try to make my hair grow really, really quick and crazy. The only thing with that is that they made me so sick to my stomach. Even if I ate a full meal and then I took prenatal vitamins, it just like made me want to throw up and go diarrhea. It was just like the worst feeling for me personally. Even when I wasn't pregnant and took them, they just didn't work out. They didn't sit right with my intestines. They were like not feeling it. So these were really gentle on me. And then my husband, so he grew out his hair to donate to kids with cancer, because I don't know if you guys know this, I've talked about it before. My first baby had passed away. So we always try to like do something for the kids that, you know, aren't like as blessed and healthy as others, which is so sad, makes me sad to even think about. So he donates his hair to kids with cancer. So he started taking them to grow it out when he got in that really awkward, funny stage where he couldn't quite put it up into, you know, a ponytail, and he couldn't really put it past his ears. It was just like this really uncomfortable stage because it just sat in his face and it like annoyed him and itched him, whatever. So he took it for 2 months, and in that 2 months, he has really greasy hair, like he gets very oily quick, so his hair grew even faster than mine. I think in 2 months his hair grew like 2.5 inches. It was insane. So it got him out of that really awkward stage really, really quickly. He said he felt like he got a little bit bloated from them, like he had that like he felt like his stomach was starting to get a little pudgy, and he does CrossFit. He's like super athletic and bleh. But he was like, I can't keep taking them because I don't like the way like my stomach's feeling. And then he said a week after he stopped taking them, that bloated feeling completely went away. So I feel like for some people it happens, some other people it doesn't. My sister-in-law started taking them and she didn't have that bloating feeling. So I guess it just varies person to person, but I've never experienced it. They also sent me over the Intense Shine. I have not started using that yet, but I'm going to start using it soon. I just always forget because I don't want to take them both at the same time and then chance getting a stomachache. And then I forget to at nighttime because I'm really, really tired. But I'm going to start taking them and then I'll let you know what I think. Yeah, so that is my story, really. I really love them. I'm happy with them. I've heard that Sugar Bear hair has really harmful things in them, or like too much zinc or something like that. I don't know. I don't know if that's true. Like I said, I just heard it. I feel like Tati said that maybe on her channel when she was coming out with Halo. I don't know. I never looked into it myself. Maybe I should probably do that. But I did look into this, and they have all natural vitamins in here. So yeah, I'm into it. I feel good about it, and I'm happy that my hair grew back a lot. I'm happy that my baby hairs like have been growing really well. My hair is definitely the thickest it's ever been. And the only one thing about this is that your hair falls out like insanely fast. And I know it sounds like kind of like, why is your hair falling out if it's growing so fast? But the reason they say, because I looked online, because like I Google everything, they said the reason that happens is because new hair is growing in so fast that your hair is replacing it with new hair, and that's why it's falling out. So it literally looks like I killed kittens in my shower because my hair is just like everywhere. So yeah, that's basically my story with Hairfinity and how I got, I guess, affiliated, or I got into using them. I'm not really affiliated. I can get a discount code, but it expires after 2 days. So all my friends who take it, I just basically give them a little code. That way it's cheaper for them. If you guys want me to get you a code, let me know. Message me, leave it in the comment, and I'll send it to you. But you only have, I think it's 48 hours or 24 hours, something like that, to be able to use it. But yeah, that is my take on Hairfinity. If you get it and you don't like it, I'm sorry. I know everything works differently for different people, but if you get it and you love it, let me know. Yeah, are you a Hairfinity girl? Are you a Sugar Bear hair girl? Do you take prenatal vitamins? What do you guys do for your hair? So I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.